Hello everyone, welcome to Butterfly Fields YouTube channel and you are watching the Tinkle series. Have you ever wondered in olden days when there were no satellites, no mobile phones, no GPS, how did people find their way? They used magnets for once, right? So magnets, as you know, can attract each other or push each other away. That is because magnets have two poles, right? So we call North Pole and South Pole. But which one is the North Pole and which one is the South Pole? So in this activity, we will find out a way in which we can determine what is the North Pole of a magnet, South Pole of a magnet and how it is used in navigation. For that, we will use this small foam piece in the shape of a boat, which you can get in this board. And you will need magnets, which of course are in the common box titled magnets. So let's get started. I will remove this piece and into this slit we will insert the magnet, not the ring magnet. First we will do the experiment with the solid magnet. Now this we will be putting in water. So for that I have taken this bowl of water, right? Now I will place this onto the water. So it is pointing in this direction. So what I will do is I will again take it out and keep it this way. So again it is turning in that direction. So let me see if I can change its direction. Okay, I will try keeping it in this way. So in whichever direction I am turning this, it is always aligning in this direction. So let me take my compass and find out. So in my mobile compass app, that direction is south direction. So that means this is the south pole of the magnet, right? So now if you want the magnet pointing towards north, you can just take it out and flip it. Now the pointy end will show the north direction. So let us try. So as you can see, now it is facing the opposite direction. So we did this activity using the mobile. What if there is no mobile? Right. So we know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, right? So using that knowledge and that the magnet always points towards north and south direction, you can figure out which way to go. So now we know the north pole of the magnet. So now this magnet is calibrated. You can take this and maybe you can place it in water and find out the directions, or you can suspend this by using a thread. Then also the magnet will again align into the same north-south direction, right? So you can tinker and find out more ways to make a compass.